Liz Abril of Pangal Bay Dolphin Swim Club. Lane number 2, Maligro Jasmine of Dipolog Blue Marlin Swim Club. Lane number 3 is Tourist Liza May of Pangsur Swim Team. Lane number 4, Antanani Yamina of Zamboanga City Swimming Team. And lane number 5, Haraula Saira Emmanuel of Let's Swim CDO.